I know it's important for us educators to be continually learning and upskilling. It's just that I can never find a course that fits my needs and my schedule. The last course I took was way too long, and although I had some questions during the course, I didn't have anyone to clear up my doubts with.
Have you heard of MCI's MasterClasses? They're virtual classrooms that let you pick up and share only the best practices and teaching strategies, get hands-on interaction, and take home implementable strategies for your classroom. And I know you love a good discussion, so you'll be glad to hear that the courses also offer you opportunities to exchange viewpoints and expertise with other practice educators. Plus, each course is only 1 hour to 3 hours long.
Sounds interesting. What kind of courses do they have? Anything for me?
I've just finished their Pedagogy for Educators series for preschool, and I'm thinking of starting another soon. But they do have specially curated MCI MasterClasses for different levels to maximize your students' learning potential.
There's an idea! I think I also want to become proficient in online tools to really widen my skill set.
Oh, MCI's Digital Literacy Masterclasses sound like just what you need. They offer various Python coding, ICT and computer science, and Microsoft Office courses that are sure to arm you with relevant digital skills.
What's the other course you were thinking of attending?
Well, I've been trying to really push myself with regards to professional development. And what better way to do that than by signing up for a leadership masterclass on delivering effective lessons? I saw on the website that they've got courses on understanding and managing differences and how to successfully adopt new policies, programs, and practices, so I might just register for that. It's also a relief to know that I'll be in good hands since the trainers are MOE educators and NIE graduates with more than 20 years of teaching experience. Great, I just got my e-certificate for the pedagogy course I took.
Congratulations! Does everyone get one?
Yes, participants who complete a masterclass will receive an e-cert by Marshall Cavendish Institute. I'll add this to my LinkedIn profile later.
You mentioned the website? I'm interested. Could you share it with me?
Sure.